Hi everyone. I have some beautiful golden beets that I'm going to stick in my small little conventional oven to roast. I have a variety of spices in there with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I've tried them. So delicious. The sweetness with the spices that I have. And I'm going to be adding this to my quinoa salad, which is also very delicious after they cool down. I'll show you my quinoa salad. I have been... Okay. So this is my quinoa salad. And I placed, oh, so delicious. Let me see. I think this quinoa salad is very versatile. It can have, it can actually have some, yeah, I still have a landline. What can I say? Love my landline. But it can actually, you can actually add some avocado to this. So it's so delicious. I have some quinoa that I boiled. I boiled with a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of nutritional yeast, like I've shown you in the past. And I added a cucumber, and I peel my cucumber. If you have the English cucumbers, then I wouldn't peel them, but I like peeling my cucumbers. It has arugula, chopped up arugula. It has some beautiful tomatoes that are from summer, and this that brings in, adds some sweetness to it. It has some Italian peppers in there. The little orange specks are the Italian peppers. Let me see, what else did I put in there? Pretty much that's it. You can add some celery if you like. I think I add that. Oh, and pepitos. See those little tiny brown? I toasted some pepitos and some sesame seeds, which gave it a real nutty taste. So here's my sesame seeds that I toasted. And I also my friend sent me this link, and there was pepitos, and so what I did was I toasted them and I added them to my quinoa salad. Oh my God, it's so delicious. I can't wait to add my beets, my roasted beets to it, which is going to give it a nice flavor. So you can eat whole foods that are so delicious for you, and you don't, and I'm telling you, I mean, sometimes we just get so used to eating those fried foods, which are not healthy. So sometimes we get used to eating them, and then we forget about the nutrient value that we need in our bodies. So since then, since I've been eating quinoa and a lot of veggies and a lot of whole foods, I've been able to lose 10 pounds. So, I mean, I still have a ways to go, but, you know, I'm kind of excited because it's like, I gotta lose some weight. Now, I did put in some of my, which I'll show you, some of my relishes in there. I added a little bit of relish because I wanted a little kick. And I think you can do that. And, oh, it gave it a little sweetness to it. But I didn't use too much because it has sugar in there. But it also has some vinegar, so it has some fermentation in there, which is nice. So you get that fermented, valuable fermented foods in your gut. So this little quinoa salad, you want to make sure that you just thoroughly. What I do is I allow it to boil for about a good 10 minutes, and then I turn it off and then leave the lid over the pot. So that quinoa can just go ahead and do its own thing. And then I just set it until it cools down, and then I add all my little goodies to it. So this one is I would call this a basic quinoa, and then I'm going to be adding my roasted golden beets, which are nicely seasoned. And it even has a little bit of turmeric in there, which is really good and healthy. Yes, yes, this delicious food, wholesome, whole food is so delicious. I love the arugula. I really wanted some basil in there, but I don't have any basil right now, but this is like perfect. Mmm. Oh yeah. And just adding that to it is going to make it even better. You could add it raw, but I want a little bit of that heartiness in there. And besides that, it makes it a nice little filler. And it's still, it might lose a lot of its nutritional value because it turns into a not a raw food, but you can add it. But like I said, I want it to be the same texture as this, and there's a lot of crunch in there with the cucumbers and the arugula and the nice nutty flavor of the pepitos and the sunflower seeds. Okay, I'll talk to you later.